Hi, Mike Collinson here. Well, I'm a little bit behind on the video, so sorry about that. Now the garage is down and cleared away, I'm left with a concrete base to break up and dispose of before I can start setting out. As you can see, it was a lot harder work than I envisaged, owing it to being nearly 10 inches thick. Some of the pieces I've broken off weigh more than 100 weight each, so not a job I enjoy very much, but something that had to be done. Well, that's the last of the concrete all finally put away, so I can't say I'm sorry that it's finished, but we've now got a nice clear site ready for setting out. The next job is to set up some profiles. Basically I put a couple of wooden stakes into the ground and a piece of wood across the top of them. This is so it's roughly in position just so that I can mark out the lines of the trenches. This at the moment is just in a approximate position, and in a moment I'll get the line set up to get an exact line from the side of the house. Here you can see the line running along the side of the house, exactly in line. So I know that the extension there will be exactly square to the existing. Once I've got this onto the profile, I can actually mark this line from the outside, and then I can set everything out from there. At the moment, all I'm doing is setting out the sides of the trenches, so I'm not setting out the brickwork at this stage. So it's just to give me an idea of where to dig the trenches. As you can see, I'm going to mark now the lines of the directly underneath the line, the line with some marking paint. Time now to set out the other side of the trench. As you can see, this marking paint does a good job. It stays, even if I had some rain, it would stay on the ground and be visible for quite some time. So it makes a nice easy guide for the digging. And here you can see the whole of the site is now set out. All ready now for me to start digging out the foundations. I hope this has been of some interest, and if you have enjoyed this, please give us a thumbs up, and if you take a moment to subscribe and hit the little bell icon, you'll get future updates in your emails. That's all for now, and look forward to seeing you all next time. Bye.